Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Where to Search. I'll be going over resources and tools that will help you learn new things. If you are interested in learning about cybersecurity, these are 3 websites you should go and check out. So the first website is called TryHackMe. So TryHackMe is a free online platform for learning cybersecurity using hands-on exercise and labs all through your browser. And TryHackMe goes way beyond textbook and focuses more on fun interactive lessons, so you should go and check this website out if you want to learn something on cybersecurity. So the second website is called Hacker101. Hacker101 is a free class for web security. Whether you are a programmer or a beginner in cybersecurity with an interest in bug bounties or a seasoned security professional, this website will definitely teach you something on cybersecurity. And also they have a free Discord community you can go and join if you want to, so you should go and check this website out. So the third website is called Cybrary. So Cybrary is a great platform for anyone interested in learning more about cybersecurity fundamentals. So basically you can learn through this website if you are a complete beginner to seasoned professionals, so you should definitely go and check this website out if you want to learn more on cybersecurity. So that's it for today's video. Also, please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more content.